I know many of you are facing this problem right now. Grok has completely stopped giving free video generations, and you are probably seeing the same page again and again. But you do not need to panic because I am here. And whatever happens, happens for a reason. Honestly, this happened for a reason. Grok stopped because now we have better options. And the best part is that we can use it legally and absolutely free. Please take this video very seriously. And this is a call to action that you act immediately, or else Google can also change their policies, and we might not be able to use this method. We have two platforms for this. The first one is Google Flow. Go to the Google Flow website and log in with your account, and once you are inside you will see that you get 150 AI credits daily, but we are going to upgrade this. Click on the upgrade option, and you will see the Google AI Pro plan, which is the middle plan, and it shows $0 per month. Now click on Get Google AI Pro, and you will see a window saying that your free trial is started, and you will not be charged if you cancel before April 19th, which means if you cancel within 1 month, you will not pay anything. This is the most legal way to use premium feature without risking anything. Act fast, or Google can change their policies looking onto Grok ones. Also remember that each Google account can get this free trial only once. So you can log in with another Gmail if you were not satisfied with the earlier trial. You know what I mean? Now you might be thinking about payment, whether you need to add a card. The answer is yes, you can add it, but you do not need to worry because it is $0. So you are basically activating the plan without paying anything. Another concern could be autopay. What if it charges you after 1 month? So for that, Google will send notifications to all your devices. But to stay safe, you should set a reminder in your calendar. For example, if your date is April 19th, set a reminder a few days before so you can cancel it on time. Those of you who do not want to try Google Flow or do not want to activate the subscription because you are worried that you might forget to cancel it later, you can use another option called Arena AI, because this platform also offers free generations with multiple models including GPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok. Totally free, no card details, nothing. You only need to log in with your Gmail. Earlier this platform was named LM Arena and was mainly used for image generation, as you can see in the Generate Images section. But now they have also introduced video generation features. However, in the battle mode, when you click on Generate Videos, you will not be able to select models side by side because the website automatically assigns random models for video generation based on availability, and this can include models like Grok and others. You also get the option to upload your own images and use them for image to video generation, which is quite useful. But as of now, I would still recommend using Flow AI as your primary option. And if in the future that also stops working, then you can switch to this platform as an alternative. So you can choose accordingly based on your comfort. But do not worry, those who want to work with image to video will also get separate prompts and tutorials for that. So you do not need to worry at all. We will cover both frames to video and image to video audience together. We also tested other free platforms, and yes, there are options, but right now, this is the best one because the generation time is faster, the performance is better, and it is backed by Google. I also want to listen from you guys. What are your opinions on today's video? So yes, Grok stopped, but honestly it turned out to be a good thing. Now we will use Google Flow for our generations, and also explore frames to video features. You will get pro credits along with 150 daily credits. So you are completely ready to go. That is all for today's video. I will see you in the next video.